Hi everyone, welcome to ResepKik channel. Today I'm going to share how to cook fried bean sprout and salted fish. This dish is very simple and easy to cook. The ingredients that needed are bean sprout, salted fish cut into small pieces, chopped garlic, chopped red chili, salt, granulated sugar, soy sauce, spring onion, and cooking oil. I will start cooking by frying the salted fish first. Fry until golden brown, and I will add the garlic inside. And now I will add the bean sprout inside as well. And other ingredients as a salt, soy sauce, and the sugar. And lastly, I will add the chopped chili and spring onion. Cooking bean sprout doesn't take a long time. Maximum is 5 minutes to fry on. And this dish you could try it at home and add in to your list as a daily recipe as well. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you again for the next episode only at ResepKik channel. Bye bye.